In today's video, we're going to be product testing this mini chainsaw. Alright, let's get this thing open. So, this thing is pretty nice. I have used it once, and it has a chain loosening issue. We had to do some redneck engineering, try to get it to stay at least operable tight. As you can see, it's still loose, so that's already a downside on it. But let's get into cutting. We have a bunch of wood that we have to trim from these past two videos where we've been trimming down trees and cutting up wood from storms, and we're going to continue to pile it up down here. So let's get into it. All right, so here it is. I'm using it in the opposite hand at the moment, so it's a bit weird, but yeah, I'm going to get you guys set up, and we're going to do the first cut test. And our first cut test will be on a pretty thick piece of log that we have to go get. This isn't what we were supposed to be doing today, or this weekend. This video was supposed to be made for next weekend, but my kids have developed chicken pox, so I have to stay home and take care of them. So next week's video will be the hiking and fishing videos that I was going to record today. We're going to start off with this one right here. This is the smallest diameter log that I have to cut up today. So we're going to work our way up and see how good this thing does. Let's get into it. Ooh, that was pretty good. That isn't as thick as what the rest of the log is, but it gives a pretty good demonstration on how good it cuts. Whew, look at that. Lots of sawdust. Oh. Alright, you guys can still see it. There you go. Look at that. That's a pretty thick log. It's a decent sized thick log right there. Oh no! Oh. Alright. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to finish cutting these up in the proper lengths. But we're going to continue along with the test. So I'm going to go get a thicker log. Alright. Let's fix you guys. This portion of the log right here is twice the width of the thickest portion of that one that we just cut up. So let's see if we can do it. Just like that. That was pretty nice. That's a clean cut. That's a pretty clean cut. Look at that. That's a pretty clean cut. I don't know how much of that you guys saw because apparently the phone shook around a little bit there. Probably put you guys down lower. We'll try that. Alright, let's cut off this part. It's about ooh. Okay, almost got through that one. There you go. There you go. That one got it. That's pretty good. I like how it cuts. Although we are having some chain issues. But like I said, I'm going to have to figure out a way to bypass that. Now we're going to flip this log around and get double the length. Actually, we'll just sit right here. I think we can prop it up on this table against the side wall of the house and see if we can cut through it here. Okay. Let's rotate this a little bit here. That should be good. Alright, I don't think it likes, because it's collapsing in on itself, I don't think it likes that, we have it at such an angle that I can feel it pressuring. I'm gonna just finish up the cut here. There's only a little bit left. No cutting, so you know that I am using this tool. And it does not like this thick of a log, I can tell you that. It's definitely not made for this thick of a log. Oh yeah. It does not like how thick this log is. But there you go. It shows you the cut. Sorry you guys missed that. But I'm not going to cut during that cut. See what I did there. But that is pretty decent for a mini saw. And it is definitely loose. Way loose. See if we can tighten it a little bit. Oh yeah. That is really loose. I think I was able to tighten it a little bit. But definitely not as good as it could get it. It's definitely a little bit more tight. But I'm going to get this rest of this wood cut up. Before I finish cutting up this wood, I want to do a cut notch test on the thicker log to see if maybe it would be better on the chainsaw. See if it's still able to cut through a thick log successfully without issue. So let's set that up. So how we're going to do it. Oh no! Oh! My screen protector! Oh, it's donezo. I'm going to have to get a new one. Alright. Well, how we're going to do this is we're going to use this small log. The smaller portion of that big log right here. And we're just going to do notch cuts to see if we then cut through and see if that'll be better. Okay. Obviously, you wouldn't be able to flip a tree around like that to do it, but for demonstration's sake, that's what I'm doing. Ooh! Oh! Chain got caught. Alright, we're almost made the notch. Hold on. Okay. Ugh. Yeah, it's definitely not made for notch cutting. 3 out of 5 stars. It comes with a good chain. The only issue with this thing, if it had a better quality chain tightener, it would be a 5 out of 5 for sure. But it has a sucky chain tightener. Like, to keep it like just this tight, I had to, I don't know if you see it, I had to put that screw in right there. I had to put that in. I had to drill a hole into this thing and put that screw in just to keep it from getting super loose. So it's not the best for sure. I definitely, if I were to recommend getting it, I only got it because I had to get this guard stuff done, and it's pretty good for that. But, and I'm sure it'll be pretty good to just keep in your backpack if you're going out camping, bushcraft camping, and keep it on you to cut off, like, not thick stuff, but like stuff maybe around this thick for firewood or like building a stick shelter. Definitely worth keeping as like a backup maybe. I wouldn't rely on it, but it's definitely has the quality to be good. It just needs a new tightener. Maybe I could buy a better one, a better chain tightener for it. I'm not sure, but it is really good. I will give it that for what it is. It's good. I really don't have anything else to do today. This was just supposed to be like an additional upload video that I was supposed to make to upload in between different activities. So it's a bit, with the chicken pox, it's a bit throwing me off my schedule, but not by much. So I give it 3 out of 5 stars, and I'm going to use it to finish cutting up some of this wood. If it breaks on me, it breaks on me. I'll let you guys know if it does. I'll get back with you. If it doesn't, we might just wrap it up. Well, we popped the chain, and we broke the tightening pin off of it clean. Here's the chain, and that it's no longer even able to be manually tightened. So I'm gonna have to figure out a better way to loosen this. I mean, not loosen it, tighten it. I really liked it, but you know, sucks to suck, but it's gonna go back in its case now. I thank you guys for joining me on this ride to test out this Temu handsaw. If I can get fixed, maybe we'll do another durability test on it, see how good my craftsmanship is over the Temu craftsmanship. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.